Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Z Machinery, the production and preparation of ramyun in South Korea. Ramyun, the beloved instant noodle of South Korea, is a product of meticulous manufacturing and culinary artistry. The journey from raw ingredients to the final dish involves a sophisticated production line and a rich tradition of preparation. The production of ramyun begins with high-quality wheat flour, which is mixed with water and other ingredients to create dough. This dough is then rolled into thin sheets and cut into noodle strands. The strands undergo a steaming process to enhance their texture before being fried or air-dried, ensuring a long shelf life while retaining a satisfying chewiness. The seasoning packets, a defining feature of ramyun, are crafted using a blend of spices, dried vegetables, and meat extracts to create a signature flavor profile. The noodles and seasonings are then packaged efficiently in airtight containers to preserve freshness. Ramyun is more than just a quick meal. It is a cultural icon in South Korea. From being featured in K-dramas to being a comfort food for students and workers, its popularity transcends generations. The seamless combination of industrial precision and home-style cooking makes ramyun a staple in Korean cuisine. Whether enjoyed traditionally or with creative twists, ramyun continues to be a symbol of convenience and flavor in Korean food culture. Instant noodle production line process and technology. Mixing and dough formation. The process begins with mixing wheat flour, water, salt, and additives to form a smooth and elastic dough. Some production lines use multi-grain flour to enhance nutritional value. Extrusion and shaping. Unlike traditional rolling and cutting, extruded noodles are formed using a high-pressure extruder. The dough is pushed through a mold, shaping the noodles into desired sizes and textures. This method ensures uniformity and reduces production time. Drying and frying to extend shelf life. The noodles undergo either deep frying for traditional instant noodles or air drying for non-fried options. Frying in hot oil reduces moisture content, making the noodles crisp and easy to rehydrate later. Cooling and packaging. After drying, the noodles are cooled to room temperature before being packaged. Automated systems seal them in airtight packs with seasoning sachets, ensuring freshness and flavor retention. Instant noodles have become a staple food worldwide due to their convenience and long shelf life. Their production involves a highly automated process that ensures efficiency, consistency, and quality. Modern instant noodle production lines utilize advanced extrusion technology to create noodles with a perfect texture and taste. Modern production lines, such as those showcased in videos like Extruded Snacks Noodle Production Line, integrate automated mixing, extrusion, and drying techniques. These systems improve efficiency, reduce labor costs, and ensure hygiene standards. With continuous advancements in food processing, extruded instant noodles are evolving to meet consumer demands for healthier, high-quality products. The future of instant noodle production is geared towards innovation and sustainability, ensuring a balance between convenience and nutrition. Fried instant noodle production line. The production of fried instant noodles is a sophisticated and highly automated process that ensures efficiency, consistency, and high-quality output. This article explores the complete production line, detailing the processing steps and essential machinery involved, while incorporating insights from the YouTube video titled Fried Instant Noodle Production Line, Best Noodle Machines Made by Us and Selected Partners. A fried instant noodle production line is designed to produce large quantities of noodles efficiently, with daily capacities reaching up to 20 tons. Type 600 fried instant noodle line is the largest capacity in the domestic market. It uses straight lines into fryer, not dividing in row after cutting, and improves the accuracy of boxing. It uses the latest style of noodle rollers with high efficiency, energy saving, high degree of automation. It fully absorbs the advantages of similar equipment at domestic and global products of the same type, as well as the wisdom and experience of designers and experts. The whole production line, which has adopted a variety of advanced technology, careful design, and elaborate manufacture, achieves the perfect combination of mechanical and electrical integration. Currently, it is a comparatively advanced fried instant noodle production equipment in our country. The equipment used in this production line is highly automated, reducing human intervention while maintaining product quality and uniformity. The final step involves packaging the noodles into individual packs. Automatic packaging machines weigh and seal the noodles efficiently, ensure airtight packaging to maintain freshness. The packaging may also include flavoring sachets for seasoning. A fried instant noodle production line integrates advanced machinery and precise processing techniques to ensure high efficiency, consistency, and product quality. The automation of key stages, from dough mixing to packaging, reduces manual labor while improving safety and productivity. With increasing consumer demand for convenient and high-quality instant noodles, investing in a state-of-the-art production line is essential for manufacturers aiming to compete in this growing industry.